Hi Porsche 917 fans, it's number 2, video number 2 in the completion series. I actually had a pretty good week this week. I worked Sunday for 3.5 hours and didn't throw one temper tantrum. I worked for 2 hours I think on Wednesday and probably 2 hours today. Doing a lot of I have a checklist, so I have a lot of loose ends, little things I want to check. I went through a lot of stuff, but mostly what I worked on is wiring. I had left a massive knot of wiring here, and I've put covers on them and rerouted them. This is just sitting here. That's just sitting here. So I want to get it all in behind the tubes there, and I've been covering stuff up and making sure it's wired correctly and doing punch list items and stuff like that. I went through the whole front of the car and just double checked everything. Made sure the brake lines are good and the fluid's not leaking, and like it's always been doing throughout the whole job. And that's it. I'm done for the day. You can tell I'm out of breath. I'm going to hammer away tomorrow at the wiring again. I've got everything kind of figured out. And once I can button that all up and check that off the list, that's going to be magnificent. That's going to be unbelievable. After 10 years to say I have the wiring done. Of course, I have to try to start the engine after I do all that, but that'll be telling. And then, I don't know, I'll keep going through the little punch list items, and then I'll start cleaning this thing and get it. If it runs right, I'll get it back on the ground and drive it again. And it should run a lot smoother than it did last time, because last time it wasn't really tuned well. I have one of these jump starter things, the cables, you know, for so you don't drain your battery when you're starting. This gizmo under here, like you see in modern race cars. And so anyway, that's it. Not a long video. I'm just hammering away at it. I'll get back to you next time. See ya.